Okay, we've got a Bosch grinder here. It stopped on me the other day when I was using it and it wouldn't start again. So I'm going to pull the back off it here and see what's going on. I suspect it's the brushes. Just prized that little spring up and just flipped it over there. The spring's connected to the housing there, and then that allows the brushes just to slide straight up like that. So I'll get that. Oh, there we go, it's out now. It looks like it's pretty well worn there. It's gone. So they should be at least probably double that size. So and you can see the wires come through on it there. Alright, we're on the other side. I've flipped a little spring over, just like on the other side. Now the brushes are a little bit different on this side. We've got more of a copper wire here, and there's no spring down the middle. Oh, there's a number on there as well. A86C. There we go. This one got anything on it? A86C. Right, so they got the same number. I'll go and source some of these brushes out and we'll get them in. We've got our new brushes now. You can see the difference in the length between the two. The longer one is the new one. And we've got some different numbers on the new ones here. We've got E64 on there, where the old ones were A86C. Now, whether that means anything, I don't know. But this is the packet here, and they're the numbers for it. I gave them this number here. Oh, put my finger on it. And this one here. Now, that's the model number of the machine. Now, I looked it up a bit, and this 6G1 means something to do with Australia. These brushes were apparently not in Australia. They had to order them in, so it took about 3 weeks to get them. So if you're looking at doing this, it's a bit of a wait unless they've got them. So I'm going to chuck these fellas in and see if we can get this thing going. When you're putting the brushes in, there's a groove on the top of the brush. Now it holds the spring in position, and our wire needs to be back like this. So it goes in this way. Well, that's the brushes back in, so we'll get the cover back on and we'll give it a test run. Okay, we've connected up to the power now, so let's see if this thing works. There we go, saved from the grave. Another one. That's pretty good. That was going to go in the bin. Some info that I found out about these brushes. Now, I made note before about that little bit that's popped out in the brush. Now from what I read, well, this is some sort of safety brush, so when that little bit pops out, it cuts the power and saves the motor burning out or wrecking the insides. Thanks for watching. If you like the adventures we're having here at DM Engineering, click that subscribe button and we'll see you next video.